ụmụnne m ndewo nu nke onye shiri asị na zere you get what I want may we hear. If you're a young boy, if you're a young girl, I beg listening to this is a very, very, very good information. If you want to go far in life, if you want to be on top, you get some people you must avoid. You get some friends you must drop. It's under must, you must drop them. You get some you will pick along your way. If you know that you want to excel in life. You ask me which type of friend am I talking about? Okay, I'm going to listen very careful and also share this my video. If you see a friend who cannot contribute meaningful in your life, my brother, my sister, drop them. If you see your friend who always after his own, my own, it cannot take you anywhere. You see these people who always to advise you, always there for you, always be with you. My brother, embrace them. Those friends can help you to build your life. Not all those ones, they are always what they will gain from you. And not boy him. Those people cannot put you in the place you're supposed to. Mindful the kind of friend you are accompanying with, mindful who you call your friend, and mindful what you tell them, especially things that concerning your life. Nna agwa gị nke bụ eziokwu. Mana ofeke mmadụ ama nghọta okwu a. Ọ kwụsịkwa ka ọ ha n'onu. Ndị nke m ndewo nu.